Hey guys, how are you all? So long time no see, but after the NEET PG examination of 2024, I decided that I need to prepare for the 25th NEET PG examination, and I'm not sure whether it's going to happen in March or whichever month, because you know how it works. But anyways, I have a very special package for myself, and it will be useful for you. And if not this package, but this video is going to be useful for you, so don't miss it out. And here is it: Rapid Revision 6.0 notes. And no, it's not a sponsored video. I did not got this package for free. I had to pay for it. And you can also buy this package from Rapid Revision, not Rapid Revision, the Prep Ladder website. If you don't have subscription, then you can take help of one of your friends, and if you want additional discount, you can use my code. That's going to help me. But mind you guys, this is not a sponsored video. I actually wanted to revise all the 19 subjects after my FMG examination before I give the NEET PG, the next NEET PG. So for that, I have thought that this will be the best resource for my preparation. So I'm going to use it. Well, we'll simultaneously open this package without wasting any time. So Prep Ladder has improvised their rapid revision course very finely. Actually, previously there will be like sections of, for example, if you want to study surgery from rapid revision, in the in the videos, it will be like surgery 1, 2, 3. It will be divided like in parts. But now they, after the new lectures, first of all, they have brought back the English version, and now they have improvised the assortment in such a way that the videos are made topic wise or unit wise. For breast cancer, there will be a separate unit, and now there will be more number of topics, but the hours, the time duration in total, if you will see, it will be the same only. Okay, so let's open it together, guys. First of all, beautiful package. Thoda graphics are getting improved. Like, I'll open it in front of you. What does it say? Okay. Oh, there is some bookmarks. Nice. Very graphy looking it is. Okay, so this is the volume 1. It comprises anatomy, biochemistry, physio, path. Let's open it up. It's not shiny as compared to the previous versions or the notes I bought, main notes. It's very matty and smell of the new book. Yeah. Oh, even the pages are better now. The pages are paper like, not those sheets that will reflect to the light, and it's kind of irritating, so you have to keep the book at a particular angle so that the light doesn't get into your eyes after reflecting from the sheet. But it's very nice. Paper quality is nice. Binding is obviously fine only, but it's not fine, man. It's already getting damaged. But it was like that only. I did not do anything. But it's okay. We can manage. But the quality of the binding is just average. The paper quality is better, and the print quality also seems better. Let's open pathology, and we'll see if there are some slides. The picture of those we'll see. Anatomy is there. Biochem is there. Actually, it's very like nice to look at. Only if we will read it, I will read it, and then only I can tell you how are these notes prepared, and if we can understand it. But it seems nice already. There are like more tables now. And these tables will, take your attention. Okay, for example, there is surface epithelial tumors, ovarian tumors, and they have made it very nicely. Thanks to Preeti ma'am. In one page you will read it. So now it's more tabular than paragraph content, which is nice. I like it. I like the tabular one, and there is ample amount of space. It's very spacey, so I can also put my notes over it. Though there is not a separate space over each page for your notes, but that was actually not necessary. Previously, they would do that. Okay. Okay, so that ends like that. That ends very abruptly. Okay, so this is also nice. They have also put the timestamps over the notes, that this topic will get started at 1 hour and 5 minutes, something like that. So timestamps are there. Nice, not bad. Okay, the second volume is this one, and this one is Microbio Pharma FMT Optha ENT. Cute बना रहे हैं. Okay, again the same thing. Nice tabular, similar fashion they have followed. It's actually nice, yaar. I like tables. Tables are better when you already see. Rapid revision is for the one who have done at least one reading of the main notes, or they have studied like 1 year, 2 year before, or they have studied well in their prof years or MBBS years. So for the quick references, tables are the one which will really help. The paragraphs have more content to it. It might explain more in depth, but when you want quick references, when your concepts are or your bases are like averagely built, the tables will help, and quickly you can go through more number of topics. So same timestamps. Also they have put this PYQ tag. If you could see, PYQ tag is there to show you that this topic came in previous year examination. So this is nice touch. Now everyone knows PYQ से topic आते हैं. FMG का PYQ they are mentioning, AIMS PYQ they are mentioning over the image. It's really nice, good. Optha के images are there. The paper quality is good, man. I like it. Reflect नहीं करता फालतू. I'll show you guys just a minute. So these are the notes, main notes of year 2021. तब मैंने लिए थे, and images वगैरह तो इसमें कुछ ये जैसे for example these are the images. At certain angle, if you could appreciate, there is some sort of reflection of light. थोड़ा सा reflect करता था, which was very irritating for me. मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता था. But this time, it's not reflective at all, and it's more of a paper than a sheet. तो गीले हाथ से मत टच करना. Don't use wet fingers over it. See, it's not reflective at all, right? It's very nice. Next is volume 3, PSM Medicine Surgery OBG. So surgery is the one I am going to start. To open it up. Again very cute. So there is no ऐसा कुछ लग नहीं रहा है कि ये सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड है. Like this one still felt micro से थोड़ा related लग रहा है, but anyways. PSM Medicine Surgery OBG. So this is supposed to be the biggest volume, but it is not actually. Thickness is the same as compared to the other volumes, क्योंकि ये सारे these 4 subjects are the core to get maximum numbers. PSM Medicine Surgery OBG ये तो है ही वही same बढ़िया है. Nothing much to tell you about it, but paper quality is still the same. Images are there, PYQ stamps are there, timestamp is there, images are there. अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में यार. These are 803 pages of PSM Medicine Surgery OBG. The other module, which was Micro Pharma FMT Optha ENT, they are how many pages? 643 pages. 648 pages in total. The volume 1, Anatomy, Biochem, Physio, Path. They are 670 pages. 670 pages. So till now this will be the maximum one. It's over 800 pages. Now the last volume. आजा यार, कोई बैग वगैरह नहीं दिया यार. स्टिकर्स भी नहीं दिए. मैरो स्टिकर्स देता है. ठीक है, चलेगा. Anyways, volume 4, pediatrics, derma, psychiatry, anesthesia, radiology, ortho, 1 2 3 4 5 6 subjects. 6 सब्जेक्ट्स का खोल के देखें क्या है भाई इसमें. थोड़ा ऐसा क्यूट सा ग्राफिक, बच्चा उड़ रहा है पानी में. मतलब these graphics actually doesn't make any sense. They don't correlate with any subject particularly. ऐसा ही है मतलब. ठीक है, गुड पेंटिंग्स, AI जनरेटेड लग रही है मुझे तो. ओके, पीडियाट्रिक्स सेम यार, क्या कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट्स कंटेंट इज़ फाइन, कंटेंट इज़ गुड ओनली. इमेजेस हैं, टेबल्स हैं, फ्लो चार्ट्स हैं, और इट्स इजी टू रीड. टेक्स्ट कोई बहुत बड़ा नहीं, कोई ज़्यादा हाईलाइट वगैरह नहीं हुआ. इजीली यू कैन मतलब इम्प्रोवाइज इट. अच्छा है, ठीक लग रहा है. PYQs का दे हैव, यू नो, प्रीवियसली आई वुड मार्क ओवर माई नोट्स कि ये PYQ में ये टॉपिक आया था. एंड वी वर एक्चुअली, मी एंड माई फ्रेंड, वी वर प्लानिंग कि हम PYQs करके वो टॉपिक्स को नोट्स में मार्क करें, सो दैट व्हेन वी विल रिवाइज दोज नोट्स हम एक अच्छे से उसको मार्क करें. बट नाउ दे हैव ऑलरेडी डन दैट जॉब फॉर अस. PYQs का मार्क हो रहा है अपने आप. दे आर मार्किंग इट. एंड दिस लास्ट वॉल्यूम is of 595 pages. So these were the 4 volumes of Prep Ladder Rapid Revision, and I am very much excited and keen to start it. So I am starting it today itself. So before starting it, I thought कि मैं आपके साथ share करूँ. So that's it. These are the 4 volumes, and if you want to buy, if you want, give me some time. I'll review it after reading it. And it got delivered in like 3 days only. 2 to 3 days it takes to get this rapid revision at your doorstep. It's really nice. और अगर if you live in capital city, I think it will be much quicker. तो कोई further time waste नहीं है. At once you'll get the whole package. And that was it for the video. And if you liked this quick unboxing of this rapid revision 6.0, leave a like. And if you want to connect with my channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. And also there is a link of my Telegram channel, but Telegram ka, it's like I myself am not able to access it. So rather you follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description, and we can talk there as well. Till then, all the best guys. See you soon and good luck. Sorry for this अजीब सा कुछ भी. I have no tripod, I have no nothing. ऐसे ही phone उठा के I'm shooting. I'm not even looking at how I'm going to fit in this screen. But anyways, all the very best and see you soon. Take care. Keep grinding.